Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So this is going to be an important video because we are going to discuss about the controversy that is happening at Tata Group and the so-called Tata Trust. We will discuss everything in detail, why the government like the Home Minister and the Finance Minister had to intervene into the Tata Group. We will discuss everything in detail. We will also discuss about the TCS CHRO, Chief Human Resource Officer. What did he say regarding the quarterly variable allowance or the quarterly variable pay? We will also discuss about the salary hike for freshers or experienced candidates. We will discuss it regarding less than C2 band and greater than C2 band. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing is that this is a sincere request from our side that please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have also started creating reels on the Instagram where you will be finding the latest update about the IT industry within fraction of seconds. So please go into the description box and subscribe and follow us on Instagram as well. The next important topic is that whether you have seen the HBO original TV series called as Succession. Now, this is going to be very important. There is a lot of relevance about this series with what exactly is happening at Tata Group. So let us begin. Okay. The number one thing that again I want to discuss is that, as you all know, that Tata Sons is the holding company of Tata Group, right? So it is having a lot of IT companies. It is having a lot of automotive companies, consumer retail, infrastructure, financial services, aerospace and defense, tourism and travel, telecom, media, trading, investments, a lot of things, right? TCS has a basket of companies under the umbrella, right? A lot of companies, okay? So you might have known about TCS, Tata Legacy, but there are other companies also like IHCL, AirAsia, Tata Sky, and Tata Capital, and a lot of other bunch of companies like Trent, Chroma, other things, right? But now, what exactly is happening, right? So there is a controversy that is going on, and the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and the Finance Minister, that is Nirmala Sitaram, had also intervened. They had a meeting with the Tata Group and Tata Trust officials, and they discussed a lot of pointers. Now, what exactly is happening? Let us discuss that. Okay, but first we need to understand who exactly owns the Tata Trust and what exactly is the holding company of Tata Group, that is Tata Sons. So basically, here you have to understand that charitable trust, the Tata Trust, is holding around 65.9% of stake. Okay, Ratan Tata and Noel Tata each are holding 0.83 and 1%. Okay, which contributes towards 2.8%, and the Tata companies are again holding 12.9%. But the interesting thing here is that 18.4% is owned by Shapurji Palonji. Now this is a very big group. They are having a lot of construction and other companies under their name, right? So what exactly is happening? Let us discuss that. Okay, but again, one more thing is that this particular company, that is Shapurji Palonji, is facing a lot of pressure because of the debt repayment. They took a loan of a lot of amount basically, and they have to pay by the end of December. There is a deadline for this particular company, Shapurji Palonji, which is a construction based majority of the like business they have in that particular field. They're having 1.2 billion dollar of debt. Okay, roughly around what 8,900 9,000 odd crores. So they have to pay that particular amount. Okay, and they are having a holding in Tata Group, that is the Tata Sons. Okay, and that is around 18.4%. Now, if you ask me what exactly is happening, why like there is a lot of pressure or tussle that is going on in the Tata Group. Okay, so let me explain that particular thing. After Ratan Tata passed away, right? So Ratan Tata passed away last year on 9th of October. There has been a tussle or a tug of war that is happening between the board of directors or the management. Okay, so one fraction of the people, right? They reportedly aligned with trustee Mehli Mistry from Sapurji Palonji Group. So few people are with Mehli Mistry and some of them are with the Tata Sons, that is Mr. Noel Tata. Okay, so they are pushing for more transparency. Who? Mehli Mistry from Sapurji Palonji Group, he is pushing, and his team members, right? So they are pushing for more transparency and power over the key decisions of Tata Sons. Earlier, what used to happen, there was some conclusion, like whenever there is some decision, a business decision that is to be taken, that was final decision was taken by Mr. Ratan Tata, whether it is a successful decision or not. So he was the main person who was taking all of the decisions, the final decisions basically, right? But now after he has passed away, they want the Mehli Mistry group, that is Sapurji Palonji group, wants more transparency and power, okay, over the key decisions. Second thing is that this demand is being opposed by the camp that is led by Tata Trust chairman Noel Tata, who is right now serving the chairman of Tata Trust, right? And who favors more traditional and conscientious driven approach. So he does not want that kind of like what are the expectations from Mr. Mehli Mistry, right? Now you might know about that Noel's wife Alu Mistry is also from Shapoorji Pallonji Group family, right? So just an addition reminder over here. And this basically is having a lot of conflict. This is creating a conflict between the Tata Group, which is like a succession based movie or TV series based scenario, right? So there is a lot of things that are going on. Okay, even the government intervened, as I already mentioned, right? Amit Shah, the home minister and finance minister, mentioned that since this is a very big company, this has to be solved as soon as possible, because Tata Group is on which the India's finance or something like that is dependent, because this is a $200 billion group, right? So a lot of companies, a lot of people are dependent on these particular two companies, and they are also listed in the stock market. So it is going to be evident to solve this conflict, right? So basically this conflict has also involved potential public listing companies like Tata Sons, okay, and other shareholders, right, SP Group. And this is escalating. Why? Because now Tata Group is having a lot of NBFC companies, right? So government has put them forward that please be listed. So they want this particular company to be listed as well in the stock market, right? And this is what the Shapoorji Pallonji Group also wants, okay? So they are escalating this dispute with India's largest philanthropic institution that drew attention of central government and ministers who held meetings with the Tata Group leaders recently. And they are asking now, Shapoorji Pallonji Group wants that Tata Group or Tata Sons, or I would say Tata Trust, to be listed as soon as possible. But the as I already mentioned, right, Noel Tata does not want that. So this is what is happening, right? So it will be evident to see what will be the future of Tata Sons, or I would say Tata Group, because this company is responsible for the growth of India. Even if you look at companies like TCS, Tata Elxsi, Tata Steel, okay, the automotive unit, Tata Motors, Tata Autocom, Land Rover, Jaguar, these big companies, Tata Capital, Tata Mutual Fund, okay. So these companies will be listed soon also, right? Voltas, Titan, Chroma. So these are some of the already listed companies. Consumer products, chemicals, advanced systems, hoteling business is very big for Tata. You might have heard about Taj Hotel in Mumbai, right? So that is again something which is owned by Tata. Now there is additional also, Air India is also owned by Tata Group now. So this is what I wanted to highlight, right? So now next thing is going to be important for employees of TCS, that is regarding Sudeep Kunaval, right? So recently the ex CHRO, he kind of completed his 60 years of tenure at basically, and then he like left the company, right? Retired from the company. Now, Mr. Sudeep is the CHRO and vice president, okay, at Tata Consultancy Services. And recently, when he was having a meeting with a lot of journalists and he was talking about the quarter two results and what exactly is happening with the employees, he mentioned the following thing, right? So basically, what he mentioned was that all the people who have been with the organization were entitled for the quarterly bonus, that is a QVA or QVP, except maybe for new joiners, but it covers practically everyone. Normally at junior level, we have been paying 100% quarterly variable bonus, and which will what be continued. And for other seniors, okay, for people who are greater than C2 band, we will be paying a higher amount, which is again based on the individual or unit performance. So let us discuss that in detail, okay? So all employees up to C2 grade will receive 100% of the QVA allowance, right? For those at C3A grade, okay, and above, the payout will depend on the units and individuals' performance. But overall, the company will pay more than the last year to this particular group, right? So what he means that this is going to be a good news for the employees who are having a band of C3A, C3B, or even bigger than that. So these people will be getting the payout that is more than the previous year. Now, last year also, this last quarter, I would say last year in the same quarter, right? So this is what the company is saying. Now, one more important thing is that all of the employees up to C2 grade or equivalent covered under the QVA plan will be receiving 100% of the quarterly variable allowance, right? This is the first point. And individual payout for C3A grade above or equivalent grades may vary. It will be definitely depending on the business performance and the unit performance. So the actual payout will depend on the unit's performance. So this is kind of good news, because if your business unit and your performance is really good in the company, then compared to last year, you will be getting obviously 100% will be getting a better pay. But if your performance and your unit's performance is very good, then it will be more than that also. So if your business group is performing more than like 150%, or it is exceeding the expectations, or it is outperformed, okay, so then in that case you will be getting more than 100% also. This is what the CHRO mentioned, okay. So I think this is going to be a good news for people who are having C3A, C3B, Okay, although Mr. Sudeep did not mention anything about the salary hike for people who are having a band which is greater than C2. And this is what is we are waiting for, because a lot of our subscribers has asked us in the comment section that will C3A, C3B be getting any kind of salary hikes, because they have not got it in the last 2 years, right? So that is the reason. This is a big reason to worry for, I know, for a lot of people, but definitely there will be some update down the line. Okay, so with this I would like to just ask you that if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. If you have any doubts, then please ask us. We are trying to reply to all of the candidates, to all of our subscribers who are asking us questions in the comment section. So please ask your questions, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We have started creating new big short updates about the IT industry, and please do follow us there as well. The links are in the description box. You can go and check it out, and you can follow us on Instagram. Okay, with this I would like to end our video. Thank you and have a great day.